going to do tissue paper doll. First you need marker, glue, scissors, and cotton sticks, and tissues, threads, bows that you need, and yarn. So let's begin. We're going to get our tissue. And then unfold it. And then you do this. No, I keep waiting. I keep waiting for she. Okay? Yeah, but you don't want it too long, okay? I did it too long. Wrap it in your hair. Okay. Okay. You can do 60 times, but I'm gonna do 10 times. 16 is longer than 10. Maybe I saw funny. Well, Shabby looks like a noodle. Like a Chinese noodle. It looks like a red noodle spice. Okay, now I'm gonna do the dress. You need one more. Oh, you don't need it. I'm gonna do one tree. Like it, subscribe it. I already did a face. If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, Subscribe it.